Hello, so today I will show you how to make round 21 and round 22. So let's begin. I will use white yarn for my round 21 and we will start with a slip knot. As always, do it any way you prefer to do. Okay, so we need to start our round with a standing back post single crochet around any front post double crochet before chain 4 space. So chain 4 spaces we have here, and so on at the top. Choose any. I will go with this one, and now I need to start around this front post double crochet with a standing back post single crochet. So I have loop on my hook, insert your hook from back to front, from front to back, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and this is our standing back post single crochet. Now the repeat for this round is chain 1, working in front of this chain 4 space, front post double crochet around 2, front post treble crochet around 2 front post treble crochet of our round 19, this one white round also. So let's do this. Yarn over twice and insert your hook from front to back and from back to front around first front post treble crochet, yarn over and pull up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And as you can see, our chain 4 space is left behind. So let's do one more front post treble crochet around our next front post treble crochet. So front post treble crochet, and our chain 4 space is left behind. Now chain 1, back post single crochet around next stitch, skip after chain 4 space. So around this one, first front post double crochet, so back post single crochet and back post single crochet around next 4, so 5 in total. Now we have 5 back post single crochet made. Now around next 2 stitches we need to make back post single crochet 2 together. How to make this? So insert your hook from back to front, from front to back around first indicated stitch, yarn over and pull up, and now we need to make back around, work around second our stitch. So insert your hook from back to front, from front to back around our next stitch, and yarn over and pull up. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, and front post and back post front loops are here. So yarn over and pull through all 3 loops, and this is our back post single crochet 2 together. As you can see, from front it looks like back post single crochet, and here we have 1 top loop only. Chain 1, skip next stitch, back post single crochet 2 together over next 2 stitches, so over these 2 stitches, just like we did here. So insert your hook from back to front, from front to back, yarn over, pull up, and repeat around next stitch. Insert your hook from back to front, from front to back, yarn over and pull up. Next stitch, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So this is our back post single crochet 2 together. And now back post single crochet around next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So just at the end that in our front post double crochet just before chain 4 space, just like we started this repeat. So this is your repeat for this round. Let's do it one more time. So chain 1, working in front of this chain 4 space, front post treble crochet around this 2 front post treble crochet. So yarn over twice and front post treble around first, and one more time around second. So now we have 2 front post treble, chain 1 and skip chain 4 space and back post single crochet around next 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now back post single crochet 2 together around next 2. So back post single crochet around next 2, like this. Chain 1, skip next stitch, this is our single crochet, and back post single crochet 2 together over next 2 stitches. So one more time, 1, 2, and now our second back post single crochet is done. And now back post single crochet around next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your repeat is done twice, and this is your repeat for this round. Repeat around, and I will meet you at the end of this round to show how to finish it. Okay, I am at the end of my round, my last back post single crochet 2 together and my last back post single crochet stitches, and now I need to join, all are done, and now I need to join to standing back post single crochet with a slip stitch and chain 1 and cut down, because next round will be in another color. Okay, so our round 21 is done. Looks like this. And round 22. So round 22, another color, slip knot, any way you prefer to do it. And we need to start our round 22 with a standing popcorn in any chain 1 space in between 2 back post single crochet 2 together. So we have this chain 1 space here, 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 and so on. We have chain 1 spaces here also, but we need to start in chain 1 space like this. Okay, so how to make standing popcorn? We will start with making standing double crochet. So you have loop on your hook, hold it, yarn over, insert your hook from under chain 1 space, yarn over and pull up, hold your end with another finger, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and this is your standing double crochet. Now we need to do 4 more double crochet in same chain 1 space, so we will have 5 double crochet in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in total, and the first one is standing double crochet. Now remove your hook, insert into standing double crochet and into loop, yarn over and pull through, and chain 1 to close with popcorn. This is your standing popcorn, and this chain 1 is part of this popcorn. Now the repeat for this round is chain 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 3 single crochet in chain 4 space of round 20. So this white round is round 21, and round 20 is this one, and our chain 4 space is here. So 3 single crochet in this chain 4 space, like this. Now 7 chain 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and popcorn in next chain 1 space in between of two back post single crochet 2 together. So with 1 chain 1 space. So we will start with 5 double crochet, 2 3 4 5 double crochet, like this. Remove your hook, insert into first double crochet into loop and pull through, and chain 1 to close this popcorn. This chain 1 counts as a part of this popcorn. So, and this is your repeat for this round. Chain 7, 3 single crochet, chain 7, popcorn. One more time. Chain 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 3 single crochet in chain 4 space, 1 2 3, chain 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and popcorn in chain 1 space. So 5 double crochet, 3 4 5, remove your hook, insert into first double crochet into dropped loop and pull through, and chain 1 to close popcorn. So your repeat done twice. Continue around, and I will meet you at the end of this round to show how to finish it. Okay, I am at the end of my round. Last popcorn, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, last 3 single crochet in chain 4, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, last chain 7. And now I need to join to standing popcorn with a slip stitch. So this is our standing popcorn, and this is top loop of our standing popcorn. So slip stitch and chain 1 and cut your yarn, because next round will be in another color. Okay, our round 22 is done, and that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.